Today we are checking out a super budget-friendly robot vacuum, the MONSGA R7 Pro, which is only $239.99 after discount. This is one of those robot vacuums that tries to deliver flagship level features without that super expensive price tag. It can vacuum, it can mop, and it comes with a self-emptying station for dust and debris. It also promises strong suction power together with a smart navigation for daily cleaning. So in this video, I'm going to test the MONSGA MR7 Pro in different real-world situations. So by the end of this video, you will know if this vacuum is actually worth buying for your home. Also, if you like this vacuum, you can check out the discounted link in the description below, where you can use my exclusive code to get an extra $60 off. And if you purchase through that link, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So now let's start with the unboxing. This is the compact box the vacuum comes in. Inside the box, you get the MONSGA MR7 Pro robot vacuum, the auto empty base station, 2 side brushes, 2 mop pads, 2 dust bags, extra HEPA filters plus clearing brush, a remote control with batteries, the user manual, and a warranty card. The setup process is actually very simple because most of the important parts already come pre-installed. You just need to attach the tray to the base station and place the vacuum on it. Now taking a closer look at the robot itself. On the top, you can see the smart LiDAR navigation system used for mapping and floor scanning. At the front, there are obstacle detection sensors to help the robot navigate around furniture and objects. At the bottom, you'll find the single anti-tangle brush system, all rubber roller brush, 1 side brush, suspension wheels, cliff sensors, carpet detection sensors, the built-in mop system, dust tank, and the water tank. One of the biggest highlights here is the dual anti-tangle brush design, together with the rubber roller, which is designed to reduce hair wrapping from pets or long hair. Now moving to the docking station, this comes with a large 4-liter auto empty dust bag that supports up to 90 days of hands-free cleaning. The station automatically empties the dustbin after every cleaning session, and the pull-out sealing system is also designed to help reduce dust clouds and allergens when replacing the bag.
Ready for cleaning.
Now before starting the cleaning test, I connected the MONSGA MR7 Pro to the Smart Life app. The setup process was quick and straightforward.
Wi-Fi reset.
But one important thing to remember is that this vacuum only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, not 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Once connected, the robot immediately started scanning the house using smart LiDAR mapping. The vacuum also supports Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice control. Now let's test the suction power. For this test, I scattered some paper pieces and cat food across both hard floors and carpets to see how well the MONSGA MR7 Pro performs in real-world cleaning situations. And honestly, the 8000 Pascal suction power is definitely noticeable. Starting on hard floors, the robot picked up every single debris in a single pass without pushing things around too much. The side brushes guided dirt inward nicely, while the strong airflow pulled debris directly into the suction path. As soon as the robot detected carpet, it automatically increased to maximum suction power, and you could immediately hear the stronger airflow. The vacuum managed to pull dust and debris surprisingly well from deep inside the carpet fibers. Even lightweight paper pieces were collected effectively during the test. Overall, suction performance feels genuinely strong for daily cleaning, especially for homes with carpets or pets. After completing the cleaning and picking up all the debris from the floor and carpet, the machine automatically goes back to the base station to empty the collected dust and debris into the dust bag. So you really don't need to do anything manually. And here's the sound of the vacuum automatically emptying the dust and debris into the station.
Charging. Dust collection starts.
Now for the real mopping test, I intentionally created a messy kitchen style spill using tomato ketchup and milk to see how well the MONSGA MR7 Pro could handle sticky messes. For a fair test, I only used one round of mopping. Honestly, the result was better than I expected. The robot gradually broke down the sticky mess and cleaned most of the visible stains from the floor. One feature this vacuum highlights here is the hardwood floor protection plate, which helps control excess moisture during mopping to reduce the risk of water damage or warping on real wood floors. For everyday spills and kitchen messes, the mopping performance feels practical and reliable for daily maintenance cleaning. But keep in mind, this vacuum uses a standard mop pad instead of a roller mop system. Easy to clean and wash the mop pad. So after cleaning a heavy mess like ketchup and milk, the mop pad becomes dirty, as you can see here. You'll need to remove the mop pad manually, wash it yourself, and then reinstall it before the next cleaning session. I cleaned the mop pad easily, and you can also remove the dirty water tank and the rubber roller brush to wash them properly and keep everything clean. After attaching everything back, I did another mop pass on the ketchup and milk area, so the floor wouldn't feel sticky afterward. Now let's test obstacle avoidance and navigation. The MONSGA MR7 Pro uses smart LiDAR mapping together with obstacle sensors for navigation. During testing, the robot cleaned in organized row by row patterns, instead of randomly bouncing around. Since this robot does not use a structured laser obstacle avoidance system, obstacle recognition can sometimes feel slightly slower compared to flagship robot vacuums. For this test, I placed different types of obstacles around the floor, including chairs, a sofa, and luggage, to see how the MONSGA MR7 Pro performs in real-world situations. In some cases, the robot lightly touched obstacles before adjusting its direction, almost like it was trying to clean closer around the edges. However, it never crashed aggressively into walls or furniture during my testing. With taller household objects and larger obstacles, the avoidance performance felt much more reliable overall. And to be fair, even some premium robot vacuums can behave similarly in certain situations. Regarding battery life, this robot vacuum comes with a 3200 mAh battery and supports up to 160 minutes of runtime according to MONSGA. It can also cover up to around 2690 square feet on a single charge. During testing, the battery performance was actually very solid for larger cleaning sessions. The robot can also easily go under sofas, beds, and other furniture to clean areas that are hard to reach or places you simply don't want to clean manually every time. And if the battery gets low during cleaning, the robot intelligently calculates how much charge it needs to finish the remaining cleaning area, recharges only that amount, and then resumes exactly where it stopped. That's actually a very useful feature for larger homes. So overall, after testing the MONSGA MR7 Pro in different real-world cleaning situations, I think it delivers a very balanced experience for the price. You get strong 8000 Pascal suction, automatic carpet boost, good anti-tangle performance, reliable LiDAR navigation, vacuum and mop combo cleaning, long battery life, smart app controls, and a very convenient auto empty station. The dual anti-tangle rubber roller system is especially useful for homes with pets or long hair. Of course, it's not perfect with tiny cables or some deep corners, but for daily home maintenance, it performs surprisingly well. If you want to check the latest price or discounts for this vacuum, I'll leave the links in the description below. You can also use my code to get an extra $60 off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.